Hello everyone, welcome back to YLOG 7th grade math. So today we'll be going over lesson 16. Alright, so we have number 1. Jim has 38 bottles of water and 9 packs of X bottles and 1 pack that contains only 2 bottles. What is the value of X? So first let's create an equation. In this case it will be the total, which is 38, equals 9x plus the original number that we have, which is 2. And then we just isolate for x. Subtract 2, so it'll be 36 equals 9x, and x will equal b, 4. Alright, number 2, how wide is the room, the length of which is 5 yards and perimeter is 16? So we're trying to find the width for here. We know the length is 5 and the perimeter is 16. So in order to find perimeter is always 2L plus 2W equals P. And in this case, the length is 5, so 2L will be 10 plus 2W equals 16. And if we subtract 10 on both sides, we'll get 2W equals 6. And W equals 3, so the answer will be A, 3 yards. Alright, number 3, Jackie has 5 bottles of lemonade on her lemonade stand. In order to raise money for her dance club, she needs at least 100. A pack of lemonade contains 12 bottles. How many packs of lemonade does Jackie need to get her minimum number? Alright, so she needs at least 100. And she already has 5 bottles. And then she's planning to buy packs of lemonade with 12 bottles each. And we need to remember, Jackie needs to get her minimum number. So when every time it's this, we always need to round up from our answer. So if we solve for x, we'll get minus 5, 95 equals 12x. And if we divide by 12, we'll get 7x equals 7, remainder something, but doesn't matter. Since we already have a remainder, we need to round up to get 8c. So it'll be 8c. Number 4, there are 3 bikes and X cars in the body shop. What must be the greatest number of cars so that the total number of wheels is less than 31? Alright, so in this case, we need to round down. So there are 3 bikes. 31. There are 3 bikes and X cars in the body shop. Alright, so there are 3 bikes, and bikes have 2 wheels each, so we'll put it 2 over here. Plus X cars have 4 wheels each, so it'll be 3 times 2 plus 4x is less than 31. Alright, so we could change 3 times 2 to 6. Subtract 6, so it'll be 4x. This is less than 25. And we can round x equals 6. So the answer will be B, 6 cars. Alright, number 5. Sivan has 100 flowers. How many bouquets of 7 flowers can she make? So same thing, we need to round down. 100 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7 is 30. 7 goes into 30 4 times. And there will be remainder 2, so the answer will be A, 14. Alright, Tigran wants to pay a bill of $28 with banknotes of $5. What's the least number of banknotes he will need? So, same thing, we just divide 28 divided by 5. 5 goes into 28 5 times. And we need to round up in this case. I'm sorry if I say round down. I'm not sure if I did. But we need to round up because this is what is the least number of banknotes you will need. So the answer will be B, 6. Alright, number 7. The last problem for this section. The cab driver charges $5 start fee and $3 for every travel mile. Write an inequality of the greatest number of miles that the cab driver would drive for $30. So he cannot go over 30. So it's either less than or equal to 30. So we could cross out B and D. So it's either A or C. And it says charges $5 start fee and $3 for every travel mile. So it'll be 3x plus 5, so the answer will be A. Alright, moving on to the next section. Solve for x. So we have 0.3x minus 0.2 is less than 1. So isolate, add 0.2, so it'll be 0.3x is less than 1.2. And in order to make this math more simpler for you guys could just erase the decimal point if it's easier for you. So it'll just be 3x is less than 12, and if you divide, you'll get x is greater than 4. Alright, that's a simpler way to do it. Number 2, 1/3 x plus 1/2 is less than 1/6. So since you're adding and subtracting, we need a common denominator. So it'll be 2/6x plus 3/6 is less than 1/6. Subtract 3/6 on both sides to get 2/6x is less than negative 2/6. And if we divide, we'll get x is greater than 1. So yeah. Alright, number 3, you guys could do on your own. The 3 is home practice. Our number 4, 2 minus 1/2 x is less than 1/3. Alright, let's pick a common denominator, which is 6. So 2 will be 12/6 minus 3/6x is less than 2/6. Subtract 12/6 on both sides to get negative 3/6x is less than 10/6. And if we divide by negative 6/3 to cancel that out, negative 6/3, these two will cancel out. So it'll just be x is less than 10/3. But every time we divide by negative, the inequality sign will switch. So instead of x is less than 10/3, it will be x is greater than 10/3. So always remember, every time we divide by a negative, we always switch the inequality sign. So yeah. Alright, for number 5 and 6, you guys could do for home practice. And yeah, that'll be it with me for today. And yeah, see you guys on lesson 17. Alright, bye.